It is very common for all of us to go through stressful or even traumatic experiences in life. And because life rarely prepares us for such difficult moments, these experiences often end up becoming a source of deep discomfort and pain, simply because we don't know how to process the emotions that arise from within. For many of us, these stressful moments leave behind remnants of dark, heavy energy within our bodies. We unknowingly end up storing it, and over time, that energy can lead to prolonged anxiety. Sometimes, we don't even understand why we feel irritated, heavy, or angry. We just do. It's important to remember that we all experience emotions, both positive and negative. And you'll notice that when they're positive, we welcome them with an open heart. And if you're feeling happy, you want to hold on to that feeling. There's a natural openness within us. But when emotions are difficult, we tend to close off. We resist feeling them and just want them to disappear. But the truth is, if feelings are just vibrations and they don't last forever, then we need to learn how to gently move through both kinds of emotions. Because when we begin to hold space for our difficult emotions instead of resisting them, they start to shift. They begin to leave us instead of getting stuck within us. So today I want us to work with these emotions. Through this practice, we'll begin to create space within ourselves to meet them with awareness and compassion. And from that space, we can begin to release the weight we've been carrying and start to reclaim our inner balance. So let's find this balance together. Please find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sitting comfortably with back support if needed, or if you prefer, you may lie down on your back, simply noticing how you feel called to practice today. And as you begin to feel comfortable, simply allow your eyes to close. Relax your shoulders, moving them away from your ears, and slowly begin to focus on your breath. Taking a long, deep inhale through your nose and exhaling out through your mouth. Drawing your awareness gently towards your inhalations and exhalations, allowing your breath to help you feel grounded in this very moment. The breath is slowly helping you come into complete presence, gathering your awareness and grounding it into your body. And as you keep your awareness on to your breath, let's set a powerful conscious intention to let go of any trapped emotions inside your body. Repeating these words to yourself, I am consciously choosing to remove any sort of energy in my body that weighs me down. I am consciously choosing to remove any sort of energy in my body that weighs me down. Allowing yourself to open up your body and letting go of any dense energy simply with the help of your powerful breath. And now, as you feel completely relaxed, allow me to share a parable with you. I want you to see your body as a tunnel and your emotions as trains. The train must pass through the tunnel to reach its final destination. All our difficult emotions, pain, guilt, regret, anger, helplessness, are like trains rushing towards us that need to pass through the tunnel our bodies. Our bodies being the container of these emotions. We must embrace these emotions, allow for their noise and smoke to fill us, and only with this sense of complete acceptance do these emotions make their way out of the tunnel, our bodies. You see, the train is destined to leave us, but only if we harbor the courage to not be frightened by it. And as you continue to breathe, bring to mind something that has been causing you stress or worry, and notice how it makes you feel without feeling frightened by it. Maybe it comes with a rush of thoughts or strong emotions that make you feel anxious, increasing your heart rate or tightening some muscles in your body. Let these feelings resurface without any judgment, and bring careful attention to where these feelings reside in your body. Slowly beginning to scan your body, moving your awareness to your feet, your thighs, and noticing if there is any pain or uneasiness in your muscles. Gently moving your awareness to your abdomen, your chest, your heart center, checking in to see if there is any heaviness in this area. And then finally moving your awareness to your shoulders, your neck, your head, and into your entire body, giving yourself the time to discover these feelings. Once you identify these tense feelings in your body, with a deep breath in through your nose, send your breath to this area, whatever it is for you today. And as you exhale, see the pain or tightness from this area leaving your body, softening your muscles and your body with each exhale. And if today you do not have any specific area that is affected, just breathe in and allow your breathing to fill your body with the calmness of its energy, softening your entire being like a soft feather. And as you exhale, let any heaviness dust off to ether. Doing this for a few moments. And now take a moment to remind yourself that all these feelings are no more than visitors. They come, make some noise within us, and leave. And when we restrict them, they get stuck in our bodies. With the next breath in, imagine your entire body being encircled by a beautiful white light. This light is here to guide you, to protect you, and take care of you no matter what happens. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into the floor and into this light that is holding your entire being. Let yourself surrender into stillness completely, going deeper and deeper into presence, into stillness. And now, as you rest in this beautiful white light, repeat this guiding thought to yourself. I am and always will be in the loving embrace of infinite benevolence. I am and always will be in the loving embrace of infinite benevolence. I am and always will be in the loving embrace of infinite benevolence. And now silently in your mind and in your heart. It is now time to release this guiding thought. As we come to the end of this journey today, I invite you to reconnect with your whole body, noticing where your body touches the floor, reconnecting with the presence of my voice, your presence, and the room around you. Gently move your fingers and toes, and whenever you feel ready, please open your eyes. Remember that you can return to this positive energy that is resting within you anytime you want. I wish you a beautiful and blessed rest of the day.